Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I think I need a drum roll. I'm going to listen for the drum roll because this is box number 12, finally, from the Boxable Workshop. As with every other box, this one, guys, is yet another goodie. For this workshop, I wanted to create boxes with a purpose. I wanted you guys to be able to look at these boxes and completely think about, oh, this would be great for this album, this would be great for the other, etc., etc. Everything is about presentation, and I just simply don't think that an album is complete without a box or some sort of storage. So that's why I came up with this idea for Boxable. And here it is, finally, box number 12, another goodie. I know you guys are going to love this. So very simple box, simple presentation. As I've said 11 times in my previous videos, these are blank canvases. You can do whatever you want with these boxes. All right. This one in particular, let's talk paper. This is Bobunny Only You collection. It's a Valentine's Day collection, but I got to tell you guys, this one is just, it can go for anything, really anything that is about love. It doesn't have to be for the Valentine Day holiday. All right. So I did this one up in this paper, and I love the way it turned out. It's so pretty. Everything about this paper is truly adorable. I find this to be yet another signature of mine, putting pockets on boxes, and I just love the way it looks. Such a perfect space to put a box where you can put three-dimensional item, not a box, a pocket, excuse me, where you can put three-dimensional items and you really don't have to worry about the bulk. Here's the back side. There is a pocket mirrored on the opposite side, and let me take you for a tour on the inside. So another goodie, guys, another goodie. Should we call this another GG? This box is all about storage, just like every other box, but this is about storage upon storage upon storage. The way this box is designed, I'm calling this one my year in review box, because you're going to be able to size this box to house a year's worth of memories and then some, because there's 5 compartments in here. And this is designed not in a partition style. I just can't wait till you see how this is designed. It's really substantial. You don't have to worry about partitions coming apart or anything like that. But look at how wonderful this is. I'm unpacking this baby, and I've got so many different things in here. This box is just perfect with and without the lid if you want to do sort of kind of like a presentation style box. Making a acetate style lid would also be gorgeous. You can see what's inside the box. So take a look at this. We've got 4 compartments here. Remember, Boxable is all about resizing. So if you want to make a box for an album as teeny tiny as a 4x4, you can. If you want to make a box for an album that's as large as, I don't know, 11 by 11, you can with the Boxable Workshop. So this one, of course, I size it as with every other one to fit this gorgeous album created by Betsy. This is my All Occasions 2 album. She did a beautiful job on this paper, on this album. And she also made one of my photo mats and inserts. All right. And because I have to say that everyone who designed an album for me for Boxable inspired me, because they made multiple things with their albums. Not every single person, but a lot of you did. And I thank you for that, because that made me think outside the box. And I said, you know, we need something more, a few boxes that are more than just for one album, where you can put multiple things in it. And this album and her design, her creation, made me think about that, because she made this. This is from my photo mats and inserts, and this is the All Occasions 2 album. All right. So all of these compartments, so obviously you can get the center for the album, or you can size this for multiple albums. And then, because I have so many super cute side projects like these photo mats and inserts, right? This is another photo mat and insert. I threw that in here. This is from my Monographs project. And this is another photo mat and insert. So what is this? What's the takeaway here, guys? You could put your mini album with all of your memories, all sorts of things, and then some little side activities if you have them. Or you can use it for what it's intended, which is a year in review, and you can fit 4 to 5 albums in here if you need that fifth one. The center one could be for memorabilia or however you want to structure this box. So I really hope that you love it. I hope you enjoyed the Boxable workshop. Guys, another goodie. I can't tell you, I can't stress that enough. And can I tell you, of course, what would be great for this also? You can fit my video players. All right, so if you picked up my video players, you can also fit them in this box if you want to put them in here as a standalone item. These all have little individual cases for them if you want to do them up with some scrapbooking stuff, and I show you how to do all of that when you pick up my video player. So you can fit video players in here, you can fit three-dimensional items in here, all sorts of things. You can do whatever you want. So let's think about let's say if you were doing my Picture Perfect album series, you can make 4 to 5 of those albums, size this for those, and you can store them away all in one space. If you're doing my my photo folios, how great would it be to size this for photo folios and throw them all in here and you have them in one place? So the possibilities are endless. And again, a blank canvas, so you can do whatever you want on the outside of this, on the inside, whatever. I give you the bones. You want to go ahead and fill that up. All right. So let's look at this album because it's gorgeous. I absolutely love the way it turned out. It's my little note. So she did all sorts of little inserts and pullouts for here. This is another one of the photo mats and inserts. Look at how fabulous. So the whole purpose for these are when you run out of space in your album and you still have some photos that you need to include, you throw them in one of these. Or if you want to highlight something special, you throw them in one of these, and you can either throw it in the box or in the inside cover of the album, like right here, just like she did. But they fit in the box as well. And then take a look at this. I can't remember. The paper collections will always be in the description box below. She used several paper collections here, and again, look at the description box below. You will be able to pick up whatever paper collections if you want. And remember, you can always check out capturedonpaper.com for all your paper needs or any crafty needs. Seriously, it's a great website. So here, a little insertion point. Some of these are attached, some of these are for pulling out, for journaling, putting a photo on the back, whatever you want. And it's just beautiful. Look at the matting here. Absolutely gorgeous. She did up some of the photo mats with the white paper, of course. Not sure if she didn't do repositionable tape, but obviously you can stick them on top of there if you want to. And just all sorts of photo mats coming out of the right, the left, the top, the bottom, everywhere. So lots of interest in this album style. And when you fill up every single pocket with a photo mat, or every single insert point with a photo mat, you just create a ton of interest. The viewer is just going to keep on coming back for more and more and more. And there's just so much to see. Look at this, how great. I absolutely love this setup here. It's kind of like a folio, but not, right? It's just fantastic. This could even be an insert if you wanted to create this on its own. You don't have to put it in the book. You can create this on its own and throw it in the box if you want to. A great little insert. That's the word I'm looking for. Look at that matting, how gorgeous. Some stickers strategically placed throughout the album. Betsy, a beautiful job. Thank you for sharing your point of view on this album. Just really beautiful. That's what these projects are all about. I design them. You guys share your point of view on these projects and your takes, your vision, what you want your projects to look like. And there's just so much fun to see. And if you want to see more projects, Paper Phenomenon projects done by crafters like you guys, you want to check out the Facebook page, which I will link you all down below as well. All right. Look at this. Perfect photo mat for either the landscape or the portrait photo. Beautiful, beautiful work on your matting. Love. Look at using tags for photo mats. Love it. Another one here. There's a pocket here on the side. And another one of these deconstructed envelopes. She used like a little, this is like tinsel. I wonder if this is the Tim Holtz mini tinsel. What a great way to use this. Very festive. I think that's what it is. Forgive me if it's not. Love. Look at that. Use this whole page for this beautiful, I think this is a sticker. There's lots of dimension here, just really pretty. Love that. So it doesn't have to be just for photos. You can do it, get really artsy and really fancy with these things. Beautiful. Look at that. And the matting here. Can I say that anymore? Just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful work. And this paper, it's so perfect for a page like this where you don't want to cover up the paper and you get just to showcase the beauty. And when you open it up, that's where all of the, the guts and the information is on the inside. When you get to look at this beautiful paper here. Nice work on combining paper collections. I love to do that. Just marry two paper collections where they're just seamless. You can't even tell that one is from, it's a collection from two different manufacturers. Such a fun thing to do. I love these metallic stickers. These are fun. Love, love, love. Another side pocket here with some photo mats. And just a ton. She took a lot of time to make photo mats. Clearly, this is going to be for photos, right? Not just a photo, just not an album with nothing in it, but just pattern paper, right? Just really nice. I love this place photo here sticker. Very, very, not sticker, excuse me. That's a stamp. And I think this is from creativecafe.com, this particular one. And forgive me if I got the name wrong. But I think that's what it is. I recognize it, but sometimes I'm just terrible with names. Look how beautiful. Very pretty. So for photos on the front and the back, she did pocket cards on some backs, which is great. Large photo mat, just to tell the story right here with 4 photos. That's it. Little tiny piece of strip of paper, a little embellishment on here, and that's it. Super simple. All about the photo. Now this is some serious matting here. Look at this matting here. Just beautiful how she crossed over the entire, all the way across the page. Look at this. Gotta show you this. Now this is how you use a piece of paper like this. All right. Most would cut each individual little strip and use it as a, some kind of title block, something very obvious, right? This is beautiful. I love the way she crossed over the design and just cut it strategically so that you can see every bit of it. Beautifully, beautifully done. I love that. That is some good matting right there. All right, let's put these all back in here. How fun this is going to be to look at when you have pictures in here. That is going to be a lot of fun to go through. Let's stick this one in here. And another flip. Here you've got all sorts of goodies. Look at that. Just really pretty. Wow. And I love the use of the pink backing for the photo mat. That's cute. I hardly ever use colored cardstock. It's not something I do often. If you're watching this video around, let's see, early March is when I'm uploading this. Easter's right around the corner, and I'm actually going to use some colored cardstock. So I'm curious to see if I'm going to love it or I'm going to hate it. So we shall see. We shall see. Really nice insertion point here. How nice she collaged everything here just to hold a few photo mats. Love that. Very nice. And here is, I think, the next to last of these envelopes here. By the way, she used the Hidden Hinge Plus binding system. Look at that, how gorgeous. Beautiful. I love these. You gotta tell me what these are. Let's see if it's in here. Single sheets for my stash. Nope, nope, nope. Darn it. Wild and Free by Prima with a few sheets from Die Cuts with the View, Gilded Paper, and Vintage Country. So there's 3 paper collections in here plus a few sheets from her stash. So have fun paper shopping, guys. How beautiful. Look at that. Very, very nice. Little pocket here with the strip. I believe that's a punch. Super duper cute. Love that. And just some photo mats on the side. And this paper, I wish you can touch and feel in these videos because these papers are so nice. I love this gold one. Beautiful. And check it out, guys. The last one is no exception. Beautifully done as well. Here we've got a photo mat right on the page. Love that. Just beautiful. All right, guys, this is it. I'm done with Boxable. Did you guys ever think I was going to be done with Boxable? At one point, I didn't think I was going to be done, but I'm done. I'm so excited. Box number 12. I hope you guys enjoyed the workshop, and thank you so much for, as always, hanging in there with me while I get these projects to you guys. I really, really appreciate it. So have fun making boxes. Remember, I want you to do these up. Personalize them, make them your own, and just remember, a blank canvas, guys. You can absolutely do them up, and I can't wait for you guys to share them here on YouTube and on the Facebook page. And again, all your links will be down below for your convenience. And I will also link you to the Boxable workshop. And if I didn't say enough, I will tell you, Boxable workshop, and I finally put them on sale as a single item. Most of you guys wanted one box here, one box there. You weren't in love with every single box. So I went ahead, or you couldn't get every single box. How's that? So I put them as an a la carte items. You can get them as a single purchase, and they're on sale this week, 20% off. That's my deal of the week this week. So enjoy, and I hope you love it. Let me know what you think about this fabulous box. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.